Hi guys, welcome to another video, and in this particular video I am going to talk about what is the key difference between bug bounty and professional life as an ethical hacker or a penetration tester. So if you are new to this channel, then please go ahead and subscribe the channel and do hit like, share, comment if you have anything. So let's get started. So the first thing that we need to understand is what is a bug bounty, right? So a bug bounty is a concept or a mechanism in which you get your application to get tested by a group of ethical hacker, or let's say bug hunter, and they find bug in your website and they report to you saying like, okay, we have found this bug in your website and seems to be vulnerable to this particular attack. Now you just review that bug and check whether that particular bug is valid or not, and based on that, you reward that bug bounty hunter with some reward point, usually $100, $50, $500 and other kind of things, right? Now when it comes to professional career, so it's like you complete your degree or some of time your certification, another thing, you have the skill, you appear for an interview and then got selected by the interviewer and basically hired and paid a particular salary monthly for your penetration testing. So this is the definition wise the bug bounty as well as professional career as an ethical hacker or a penetration tester. Now let's understand what are the different components those are involved in bug bounty first, then we'll jump to ethical hacker. So the first point to talk about is the timeline. Okay, so being in a professional career as an ethical hacker or a penetration tester, you will have a specific timeline to test the application. Let's say you define 6 week or 8 week to test a particular application by collecting the information by the client or maybe from the developers or the team, right? They will provide you different documentation, different architecture diagram and everything, and try to make you understand their application, and you test the application by the end of 6 month or by the end of 6 week or 8 week, you give them a particular report to them saying like these are the bug that has been found. Wherein in bug bounty there is no particular timeline that is defined, right? So a particular website will be there and you will be asked to test the application. You can test any time of the day. You can test probably for 6 months or 1 year also. Let's take an example, Facebook is there for like so many years now, and still people are finding bug. So that is the difference with respect to timeline. Now another difference is like bug bounty, you are become as an individual who particularly go ahead and test the application and find out different bugs. I know these days there are collaboration and all those things are happening, but still you need to consider as in standard, like you will go to the application as an individual, try to find bug. Wherein in ethical hacker as in professional job or a penetration tester, you will have something called as a team. You will have a group of 3 to 4 guys, let's say, and they will be working and helping you each other in different scenarios to basically get a successful assessment done of a particular application. So the third point to talk about is usage of different tools and manual logic and other thing. Now in bug bounty, typically if you run any particular scanner or maybe different tools, you might not find any vulnerability that easily. Wherein in penetration testing or an ethical hacking, you can basically go ahead and run various commercial tools or even open source tools, and also apply your manual logic to find out different bugs. These are the different approaches basically to find out bugs in the application, right? Of course in the bug bounty also you can run some of the tools. I know a lot of guys usually run it, but that will not basically give different vulnerability, because if someone is challenging you to find out a bug, they won't, do you think that they will not run this kind of scanner other thing in the back end? Quite obviously yes, the answer is right. So mostly you will not find any bug with the automated scanner in bug bounty, wherein in internal penetration testing or let's say any internal web application assessment, you will find definitely some bug with this kind of tool. Now let's talk about another point, that is with respect to salary or let's say the bounty reward. So in bug bounty, typically you find a bug and you get some amount as in reward for that particular bug itself, right? For $1,000, $500, something like that. Wherein in a professional job, you will have some salary coming every month, right, for whichever package you have got hired, and that's the difference between monetary. Yeah, I know in bug bounty you can earn basically unlimited amount of money, wherein in salary you will earn some limited amount of money as an constant money income as in your salary, right? So that's the key difference between salary and bug bounty rewards. Now one quick final point I would like to touch about is like in bug bounty, usually you will have some public website to test, which is already available to everybody, to a group of crowds people to test. Wherein in internal pen testing, you will be only testing, let's say I got hired for Facebook. Okay, just kidding. So if I got hired for Facebook, then I'll be only testing Facebook, their internal application, not some other website, Amazon, Google and other thing, right? So that's the key difference. I know these days there are also something called as private invitation, where a particular organization invite you based on your ranking on different bugs that you submit, and they will basically consider you as an personally invited private program. So usually in private organization, you will get to test some of the product which are not already available in market. In fact, those are inbuilt or in-house developed product, rather than in Bug Bounty you get public available website. So these are some of the major difference between Bug Bounty and Professional Journey. So I hope this video would have helped you to understand the different concept of Bug Bounty and Professional Journey. And if you have any query or other thing, then do let me know in the comment box. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Thank you.